Hi there, my name is Hayden Wyatt, and welcome back to the Devlog series for Luminosity, the 3D platformer game that I'm developing. I made quite a bit of progress this week. First, I completely changed the way the camera movement works for the transition between levels. Other than the fact that it's slightly faster now, it almost looks completely identical. I spent hours changing the way it works behind the scenes, but it still looks the same from the player's perspective. So, I guess just trust me when I say this was changed. Now, you may be wondering why I would put so much effort into a change that's hardly noticeable. I wanted to implement a scrolling camera for larger levels that wouldn't fit on one screen, and the original way I was handling camera movement was a bit inefficient. Remember, this is my first major project in Unity, so I'm constantly learning new things and improving as I go along. So let's talk about the larger levels that I just mentioned. The first three levels were each small enough to fit entirely on one screen. This was fine for easy tutorial levels, but I want the difficulty to ramp up throughout the game. I can't really make a level super difficult if I can only fit 5 or 6 jumps in the entire room. But right now, the levels still look a bit bland. So I decided to add some obstacles that can hurt the player. If the player comes into contact with one of these red cubes, the whole room goes red, and they're sent back to the start of the current level. I decided not to give any explicit instructions in-game about these obstacles. I like games that let the player figure out new mechanics on their own instead of just telling them exactly what to do. Plus, these objects are simple enough that it shouldn't be too hard for a new player to figure them out. And that's just about it for the major changes. I've done a bit of work on the main menu, and I've fixed a few minor bugs, but none of those are particularly interesting. And that's all I have to share for this week's devlog. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, as it would really help me to see if people are interested in my game, and it would help to get other people to see the video as well. Have a great day.